Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be talking about VPN and IP. As you all know, I use both in my videos, which are the IP, and all of us know we use VPN as well. So in today's video, I will be breaking down the difference between the VPN and the IP and which one is better. So first of all, the proxy it's just like an intermediate between you and the internet. So this server uses its own IP address to keep your identity hidden. So that's just it. Automatically give you a layer of anonymity in your data and browsing history. So first of all, I have some things to like show you in image cool way. So when I go to my let me go to my right here. All right, yeah. So let's start with this right here. So this is a just an imagical explanation of how proxy is. So here right here, as you can see right here, is our phone's IP or our desktop IP. So, and this browser right here, this server right here gives us a new IP, which is this one, which resembles a residential IP, which is more secure and can easily be detected that it's from a proxy site. So, and you browse with it successfully. That's how it works. But in the side of VPN, VPN is it's more like a secure proxy because it sends your connection through an external client or server, then encrypt the data and send your connection out. So what VPN does it protects your data and encrypts all your information, which is, for example, when if I connect a proxy to my Chrome browser, the only way the proxy will work is on the Chrome browser, and my connection in Chrome browser will be protected. But in terms of VPN, all the application and everything I enter, the data will be encrypted, and even if an hacker try to detect what you are doing at that particular time, when you are connected to a public Wi-Fi, as of example, they cannot get what you are doing due to the VPN you connect to. But that cannot happen in proxy, as you can easily get detected and be spied on. So also, let me show you an image example of how the VPNs works. All right. So this is all right. So you see, here is your this. I think this right here. This right here is our phone and desktop device. So this is the client server, which is the VPN, and our internet connection. So as you see how the bridges work, it sends our information to an external client, which is the VPNs, then the connection, then to a VPN server. From the VPN server, that's where we get our IP address changed to another server. Then from there we can browse with it, and in all this way, here our browsing gets, think here right here, this is where our data get encrypted and secure right here. So also, this is all about from here choosing right now. I think you will be saying, okay, VPN is more better. Yeah, it's more better, but in some cases, as of we all know, like let's say we all know I think let's say Twitter and Telegrams give it us like there is a limit of IP account you can create or log into. Let's say you have about 20 Instagram accounts, or yeah, Instagram or Twitter account, and you are using like a VPN to log into all of them in one device. So you are using VPN to log into them in one device. The S will, which is Twitter, will automatically detect that you are using VPN in one device. But in a way like that, that's where proxy is needed. You can use proxy if you have, like, let's say, multiple proxies. When you use this proxy to sign into this account and log out and use another proxy, you can never be detected. And also, there are other ways and other means where proxy is. Like, proxy is more used in a way like data entries and those um yeah, it's also interested me. All right, and also as of VPN, due to that, the VPN is sent out to a private to a external server. Some websites or application easily detect that this service is coming from VPN, which VPN never hide that. They never hide that your servers or your IP is a VPN IP. They never hide it. But in case of the proxy made it realistic that it will show that it's an residential IP, which they hardly detect it. So now let's say you are going for an hustling, let's say some service, and that's where proxy is more required, is more better to use than the VPN. But when you are using your VPN, or you need your internet connection for a like app or any other installation streaming service, like where your Hulu and other streaming services that are restricted in your country or any other country, that's where VPN is required. You can use VPN for that. Is a little bit more, it's more better and easier to use. But in terms of hustling and data searching and your account management and all that, that's where IP is more required. So in this video, I will say, if that's why in my videos, if I'm mostly using or any location changes and all that, I use this VPN. But when it comes to hustling and any other out researching and source accounts, I use IP. So that's it for the video. Thank you.